this video I will show you how to share Telegram channel link on WhatsApp. Firstly, what you need to do, simply need to open up your channel link site on your Telegram. Then as you can see, I have opened that channel site. Then you need to tap on the name site on your upper side, go on that adding button on the first selection, then just scroll down, go for channel type, and right here you're gonna find out the link session on it. And if you want to take over and add that selection, if you go for example private channel and then go for share button right here, it will give you many options in which you're gonna take over and scroll down, take a look for WhatsApp, go on it, and then simply send it whatever you want, which is the most sideless for you. I will go with this one, just go send. And now guys, if I go on it, as you can see, we have done it.